How to fix Play Store not downloading apps on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store not downloading apps on Android phone. All you need to do just go to the settings and then you need to find here apps, click on it and then click apps again. Now just you need to find Google Play Store, click on it. Now click here force stop and then go to permissions. Now check this one here, storage. You need to allow it and then go back and go to data usage and go to Wi-Fi and now just enable network access here and then go to storage and clear cache and now just try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem just go to settings again and go to Play Store, storage. Now just clear data, click clear data and click OK and then restart your phone and then your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video don't forget like and subscribe and see you in the next video.